Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. It's JuJu and it is time for our Margaret Miller Weekly Collage Challenge. Okay. We are here on this page, and this page says that we are on week 23 and we need a key, a building, white space, something magical, an office supply, and the bonus is a tissue. Paper. Where's my office supply? Oh, there it is. Okay. So I have this wonderful building, this unicorn, this tissue, this clock, because you can't be an office without a clock, and this wonderful white space, and this gorgeous key. Okay, so here we go. I'm still trying out my new glue stick. I'm going to put it on all of this page because I'm going to stick something down on this whole page, I think. Okay. I have a building, some white space, we have something magical, we have an office supply, we have tissue paper, and we have a key. So there you go. Now, for the ending, I'm just going to flip through. We were supposed to do this on week 20 and we didn't, so I wanted to just kind of flip through to see how well I have progressed, or if you think I have progressed at all, if any. So let's flip to the beginning. This was the very first collage I ever did. This was week 46 of 2023. Week 47. 48. That's still ugly, but it still feels so good, but it's still ugly. Week 49. 50. And this is the cute one. I like this one. This was the first week in 2024. Here we go. I hadn't opened this up so long, it's sticking together. I guess it needs a little gray paint anyway. Some days you just can do it. I love him. That's my favorite one. All right. There we are up until this week. And she's getting to be a chunky monkey. Okay, thank you. Have a good week. See you on the next go round.